Welcome, here I've got Realme 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's focus on this one from the left with the frame. So this is the camera frame or camera aspect ratio. Now we are in 4:3 ratio. When we pick this we can change it to 1:1, so this is how it looks like. This is the square one. The next one here is full frame, so the full aspect ratio of this camera. Another tab goes as to 16:9 and this is how it looks like. And by just another tab we go back to 4:3. So this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.